Aloha and welcome to Fusion Windows and Doors. We're dealers of a wide assortment of products. Here we have Milgard. Milgard makes several different vinyl lines. They also make a fiberglass line. Coming over this way, we got La Cantina multi-slides and folding doors. Coming over this way, we have our Anderson products, largest window manufacturer in the nation. Anderson makes aluminum clad products, fiberglass products, and also their 100 series patented FiberX material. Over here we got Marvin, another really large manufacturer. Marvin makes fiberglass clad, and aluminum clad products. Coming over this way, we got our Fleetwood area. All aluminum, super slick product. They make all sorts of oversized windows and doors. Coming out over this way, we carry TrueStyle. Really unique, solid, sturdy doors. We also carry TM Cobb doors. And over here we carry our TM Cobb all wood windows. That's it. Thank you for visiting our showroom. You can contact us at 818-245-8484 or info@fusionwindows.com. Thank you.